you struggling with your makeup melting off your face? Then this video is for you. Hola mis amores, this look is perfect for summer. It's fresh, glowy, effortless, and all under 5 minutes. We're starting off with a vitamin C serum that's going to brighten and protect our face, and we're going to apply it on our neck and all over our face. Then we're going to move on to mascara, and we're going to put a light coat on our eyes to really open them up. Then we'll move on to lashes. I love these because they're really fluffy and really beautiful and really glamorous, and they're light on the eyes. I got these off Amazon. I'm going to cut off a little bit of the edge, and then I'm going to make them more flexible by flexing on the band, and then I'm going to stick them on with some glue using some tweezers, and we'll wait for them to dry. And because it's so hot, we're going to use this brow glue that's going to make our eyebrows really fluffy and really full. It's like we're putting on a gel, but we're not using any product that could melt off. And to achieve beautiful skin, you need sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. This one is perfect because it's tinted, it's very light and very airy, and I just love the way it goes on. There's 4 different colors, but you can also mix them to get the exact color that you want for your face. If you're learning something new from my video or just enjoying this look, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This tint was so lightweight that I stopped using my brush and just went in with my fingers. There's nothing like that warming of your hands to really get the product into our skin and make our face look really glowy and beautiful. I even used it to correct any spots. Then I went in with the lightest shade and I used it as highlighter underneath my eyes and on my nose and on my chin. And surprisingly, it did a really good job at making my face brighter and bringing out my eyes and any spots that needed highlighting. Now to bring color to our face, we're going to use some creamy blush. This blush is absolutely beautiful. I put it on the high points of my face, on my nose, to bring out that warm color and make it really fun and really bright. Then I'm going to go with a white eyeliner pencil and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. This is going to open up my eyes and keep it really summer and really fresh. If you're a girly who uses black, trust me, switch to white, you're gonna love the way it looks. Then I'm gonna go with a black eyeliner and I'm gonna put it underneath my eyelashes just to blend everything out. I'll put it underneath and the top, and this will really complete it. Now we're gonna get highlighter. I'm using this ColourPop really glowy, dewy color, and I'm putting it on my cheekbones and just anywhere that I want some highlight and some beautiful color on my face. Now that our eyebrows and our eyes are complete, we're gonna go on to our lips, and we're gonna get a dark lip liner and we're gonna line the bottom portion of our lips and then the top to really make them pop. And then we're gonna get a lipstick. This is this beautiful matte color that I love, and I'm gonna put this on top of my lips and I'm gonna just blend everything in with my finger. And then I'm gonna go for a really fresh gloss. You really could use any pretty gloss. I love this one. This is from Dior because it's very glowy. It has this orange tint and it's perfect for summer. I love a product that has 2, 3, 4 in 1. And just like we used our tinted sunscreen, we're gonna use this beautiful shimmer glowy sunscreen that we're gonna put all over our skin. This one is 50 SPF, it's free of any terrible ingredients, it's water resistant, just make sure that you're applying every hour, and it's just going to leave our skin beautiful, dewy, and glowy. I'm gonna put this all on my chest, I'm gonna put some on my arms and my hands. Do you guys see these nails? I absolutely love these. I did these for the summer and I just love the way that it's very fun and perfect for all of my vacations. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you guys have a beautiful, fun, fulfilled summer. Whether you're going to the beach, going on vacation, going to the lake, I know that you're gonna have an amazing time, but also look beautiful and fabulous with this beautiful look. I love you guys. Los amo. Mwah!